to talk about yesterday, today, or even tomorrow? In this video, we'll go through the most useful time expressions to help you speak naturally. Hello everyone and welcome to Sprechify, where we make learning German easy peasy. My name is Francesca and I'm a native German speaker with over 7 years of teaching experience. This video is part of a series from my complete German course for absolute beginners. If you want to go even further, you can find the full course on Udemy. The first 100 students will get a 60% discount on the full course. Check out the link in the description. And now, let's dive into today's topic. Hello and welcome to the third lesson. In this lesson, we will learn about time phrases and times of the day. Let's start with the time phrases, Zeitausdrücke. Here we have a timeline, and now let's see what each word means. Heute is today. Gestern is yesterday. Vorgestern is the day before yesterday. Morgen is tomorrow, and übermorgen is the day after tomorrow. Now I'll give you example with each word. Heute ist Donnerstag. Gestern war Mittwoch. Vorgestern war Dienstag. Morgen ist Freitag. And übermorgen ist Samstag. Let's practice a little bit. How would you say tomorrow is Wednesday? Right, morgen ist Mittwoch. And now let's imagine today is Tuesday. Which day is the day after tomorrow? Heute ist Dienstag. Welcher Tag ist übermorgen? Your answer will start with übermorgen. Übermorgen ist Donnerstag. And now let's imagine the day before yesterday was Sunday. Which day was yesterday? Vorgestern war Sonntag. Welcher Tag war gestern? And your answer will start with gestern. Gestern war Samstag. Great. Let's continue with the times of the day. Am Morgen or in the Früh means in the morning. Am Vormittag also means in the morning, but you can imagine it's in the late morning, and you can say am Vormittag between 8 o'clock and noon. Noon means zu Mittag. Am Nachmittag is in the afternoon. Am Abend is in the evening, and in der Nacht is at night. With these words, we will use der as an article, excepting in der Früh or die Früh and in der Nacht or die Nacht. These words are feminine words and they use the article die. But if we use the preposition in, then we also use the article der. Then we usually use the preposition am, excepting in der Früh, zu Mittag, and in der Nacht. Mark red here. And at the end of the word you can add an S, which can mean repetition, but it's not necessary. I'll show you an example. Morgens stehe ich 7 Uhr auf. This can mean that every morning you wake up or you get up at 7 o'clock. But you can also say, am Morgen stehe ich 7 Uhr auf, which can mean every morning or just tomorrow morning. The context will help you to understand if it's a repetition or a one-time thing. That's it for now. See you in the next one.